At Iqra University, hospitality and tourism management is taught, where excellence is practiced inside our classrooms and five-star hotels. From culinary artistry to refined service standards, our students don't observe hospitality, they live it. Luxury is defined by details, and mastery begins with understanding them. Through global accreditation with CTH UK and an exclusive 2+1 pathway, our students step into international universities and global careers. With guaranteed internships and placements at Hashoo Group hotels, success is not promised, it is prepared. The future of hospitality belongs to those trained at the highest standard. Excellence is never accidental. It is designed, disciplined, and delivered with grace. This is the world of hospitality.